Okay, one of my items from the Free People sale on sale made it here yesterday, so let's open it up and try it on. No, because love. This is the classic striped crew. I didn't know the sizing, and when I was ordering the dupes, I would order them literally in like 3XL because I wanted to like essentially live in them. So I ordered an XL. Definitely oversized, but I think it's gonna be exactly what I want. 1 second. No, I love it. A little, really huge. Probably could have done a large if I wanted to, but the vibe that I'm going for always is oversized. Obsessed. The sale did end last night, but I'm pretty sure they have the same sweater in just different colors. If you don't want to swim in it, size down 1 or 2.